off and come check this out. I don't know if we'll be able to see anything or not, but we're gonna try. Yeah, we'll crawl under the fence here. You can kind of see it right at the bottom of the hill down there. There's a divot, there's a little creek in there. Actually, it's a pretty decent sized little creek. I tell you what, I walked down there the other day. There's some huge boulders sitting in it. I don't know if they fell down off the mountain or what, but they've been there a long time, and they're sitting like right in the middle of it. I don't know how that happens, but pretty neat. Old fence row here. More old fence row, but somehow the horse was staying in here, so I guess if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Pretty nice little view there. See, there's the rest of the field. Kind of in the middle there is where it plowed up nice, because I mean, there were some huge brush piles. He deforested this field. There were some big trees, big piles of trees. It was a big pile. It burned all night long. Burned a couple days after that too. So one thing I want to ask you guys, see how that says Lely? I tried Googling Lely chisel plows. I can't even find a picture of them, man. Have any of you guys seen a Lely chisel plow that looked like this one before? I mean, I know Lely made a little bit of tillage equipment, but I can't find anything like this one. Like, did somebody just slap those stickers on there? Or is this actually a Lely? Anybody have one like it? Let me know. Comment down below. But, I mean, I would just look at the serial number, but I can't find one on here anywhere. It's got this little tag on here. Wegner's, they're an auction or a sales place kind of near us, so it probably came from a sale. I didn't buy it from a sale, but the guy I bought it from probably got it there, I'm not sure. So who knows the life it's had, but it's in really good shape. I don't know if somebody painted it and is a diehard Lely fan and wanted it to say Lely, or what the deal is there. But, alright, I'm going to get back to some action, guys. I don't have too much left here. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next time. This is the end of the plowing footage, but there's a bunch more to go. I'm going to have to make a bunch of passes disking this stuff, both fields. And obviously they'll be planting, cultivating, and then I got a surprise in the fall, hopefully, if everything goes according to plan. I think you guys are gonna like it. Anyway, I'll catch you guys next time. Later, guys.